Hey friends, today's fast, easy dinner is tortellini and brodo. So I'm starting with leftover tortellini. You can use frozen, fresh, anything that you want. And I'm just gonna heat some broth. In it, I'm gonna add the fresh veg of my choice. So I'm gonna grate up that carrot and take the corn off the cob and floret that broccoli. Then I'm just gonna cook that through in the broth and then add the tortellini. It just needs to cook through. Or heat through in my case. And then I'll top it off with some cheese and some basil. We'll have dinner in about 15 minutes. Okay, back with next steps. Alrighty, so after that broccoli was cooked through and those carrot shreds cooked up, those cook up quickly, I added in that leftover corn on the cob, which also was already cooked, and that tortellini. And now I'm just gonna let it go over the flame. I'll cover it maybe for 10 minutes at the most. And then we'll have dinner. Yum. Have a great week, everybody. Mock well.